stop trying.
Maybe you need to spice things up a little.
What do you mean?
I don't know. You could tie her up, she could tie you up, you could eat stuff off each other. You know, dirty talk, menage a trois, toys. Role playing. You could be the warden, she could be the prisoner, you could be the pirate, she could be the wench.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yeah, or you could be two stockbrokers and you're rolling around naked on the trading floor and everybody's watching. Never happened.
So how's it going with Joey?
Oh, it's great. He beefs you now with
Here,
codes.
where's it?
One is bring me food.
Vegetable.
2 is I'm with a girl, bring us food. 3 is I'm lost and I can't find food.
Vegetable.
Sweetie. Is there any food around here?
Is she gonna be alright?
Yeah, she's right in there.